Okay, so this question is not necessarily the hardest math problem in the world, but it is a great problem for us to start learning how to use some of the cool functions of our TI-84 calculator. For those of you with the more modern, updated color graphing calculators and some of the later editions of the black and white ones, we've got a cool function on here that we'll be able to use when we go into the actual PACE testing center and using on their calculators. And so might as well start learning how to do it now on something pretty easy so we can use it all the time as we go through the rest of these classes. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll hit alpha and then y equals, and that's going to pull up this menu for us here. And what we want to do is select number 1 there, the numerator denominator option. And that's going to break it into two parts of the fraction for us. So we'll type in the 2 and then push down and then number 7. And then we'll say plus. Then we're going to do our alpha, y equals again, and again we'll choose number 1, and this time we'll type in 1 over 5, and then just hit enter from there. As you can see that on the screen, it gives it to us in a nice clean fraction of 17 over 35. For those of you who aren't using the most up-to-date TI-84 calculators, the best way to do this problem is still in the calculator. We're going to go 2 divided by 7 in parentheses, and then we're going to add to that 1 divided by, and then 5 in parentheses, and you'll hit enter on that. And when you get your answer out now, what you're going to want to do is hit on the left hand side, you'll see the math button, so hit the math button, and then we're going to want number 1 there, the frac option. And so what you'll see is it grabs your answer from the line above and it's going to turn it into a fraction. And so again, we can see that we're going to get our answer out of 17 over 35. So not too hard, pretty nice problem.